Okay. So we need to.
We have light.
Holy
What?
Did you hear that cat?
Uh-uh.
Somebody was right by my face.
Crawl space?
That'd be my guess.
Oh, I hear it! Oh,
I'm coming. What's wrong?
you can hear it coming from the bathroom. The cat, you can hear it.
Oh, we heard it?
It's like fighting something.
Oh, the two cats on the ceiling?
Come here.
Yep, I heard it.
Or are they underneath and it's coming up from
Don't know.
there? One just falls out of the ceiling all of a sudden.
That would suck. Ouch.
I'll hand you the big stuff and I'll fill it while I'm running back and forth.
Probably need to close those doors on the dumpster now.
Probably.
Just fill it in. Light might be blind.
Okay.
You okay?
No critters underneath? No critters underneath.
Might be pristine under there if this has been here a long time.
That's true.
Can you look it that way? Yep.
It was like stuck to the carpet there. I don't know if you heard that as I lifted it. Yeah, good times, good times.
Cleanest spot in the house. Aside from under the table. At least I guess.
Oh, this is a safe.
That's cool. Like there's anything in it?
I don't know.
It's super heavy.
It's super heavy.
Don't drop it on this floor. It's a shame.
Should we see if he wants it?
Grab the dolly and roll it out of here. So here's the state of the bed. Kyla did find a safe on the lower mattress. There's some old macaroni and cheese. I don't know if you can see it, but the floor is collapsed. In the closet, you can see how much it's separated the floor from the wall. So we know the trusses are strong because they're holding the wall up because the floor is not. All right. That closet door is, the top is low. I feel like it should feel high if the floor is sunk. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't know. That's weird.
But it doesn't look like the ceiling is lower or the wall, like, it doesn't look. Why does Ellie built it? Oh. The day that I'm big enough to pay people to do this, oh, that would be amazing. That's a long ways away.
Woohoo! Termite City.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look at you getting in there, girl.
Holy crap.
Do you see any active?
No,
Okay, that's good.
it is just Swiss cheese. Like nobody's business.
Yeah, it's all coming out.
Like holes all the way through.
Oh!
Get it.
This is what the bottom of the closet looks like. So,
That is a deep crawl space right there. Nice.
I'd say we can slap some Bondo across that and send it.
Yeah,
It'll be fine.
we're fine.
It'll be fine. So yeah, that's probably what this whole floor is. Just not as bad as right there. The real issue is going to be, did it get to that front wall?
You know, it's awesome when the floor comes with the pad. Easily.
Saving us some time on demo day, baby.
Totally.
Or demo month. It's probably more accurate.
Up top there.
The $1 million question is going to be, how bad is that beam that's probably running underneath that center wall? Although I would think it would actually be under this, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see.
Yep.
Oh. Give Gotham a gentle touch. There you go. You got it?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Or we would just